What if I tell you that if you drink this drink for just 15 days, you will notice improvements in your erections? Because this is the science-backed drink that helped many men in clearing their penile arteries naturally without any supplement or medication. And the best part? Every ingredient is easy to find and 100% natural. Have you been feeling like your energy just isn't what it used to be? Maybe your performance in the bedroom isn't as strong or consistent as you'd like, and you're wondering if there's a natural way to turn things around. What if I told you that a simple, scientifically backed drink using ingredients you already have at home could help improve your erections, enhance circulation, and boost your confidence, naturally? I'm Dr. Fiona, a sexologist and a urological surgeon, and today I'm going to share a powerful, evidence-based recipe designed to support your sexual health, naturally and effectively. But more importantly, I'll explain how each ingredient works inside your body to boost nitric oxide levels, support testosterone production, and improve the very foundation of male vitality. Don't expect miracle cures, but if you're serious about improving your performance, this is your starting point. So stick with me until the end, because I'm not just sharing a recipe, I'm offering a real solution rooted in science and the latest medical understanding. Now let's talk about this natural shot, a concentrated drink that you can prepare like a juice and consume in a single serving, rich in bioavailable nutrients. Here's what we know. Erections are fundamentally a vascular event. At the biochemical level, sexual arousal and erection depend heavily on a molecule called nitric oxide, a natural vasodilator produced in the lining of your blood vessels. It plays a crucial role by relaxing the smooth muscles of the arteries, allowing more blood to flow into the penis, leading to a firmer and sustained erection. This natural juice we're about to discuss supports that exact mechanism by combining 5 potent ingredients known to enhance circulation, reduce inflammation, and balance hormonal production. Let's begin with the first powerful element, beetroot. We use 1 medium-sized beet. Whether you peel it or not is up to you. Beetroot is incredibly rich in dietary nitrates. Once ingested, these nitrates are metabolized by your body into nitric oxide. Peer-reviewed studies have consistently shown that beetroot juice can help reduce blood pressure, improve endothelial function, and enhance muscular oxygenation, all of which improve blood flow, particularly to areas like the pelvic region. The connection between nitrates and erectile quality is real and scientifically grounded. Next, we add half of a watermelon, yes, you heard that right, including the white and green rind, which most people discard. That's actually where the power lies. This part of the watermelon is rich in L-citrulline, a non-essential amino acid that's converted in the body into L-arginine, an essential precursor for nitric oxide production. Studies have demonstrated that regular intake of L-citrulline can improve erection hardness in men with mild erectile dysfunction. Watermelon also contains antioxidants like lycopene, which protect vascular integrity and boost testosterone production. Now, let's spice things up with a small piece of ginger. More than just a culinary root, ginger has been revered for centuries across cultures as a natural aphrodisiac. But today, we understand why. At a cellular level, ginger contains gingerol, a bioactive compound that promotes blood circulation, reduces inflammation, and supports heart health. Additionally, research suggests it can improve testosterone levels and sperm quality in men, making it a holistic enhancer of reproductive health. The fourth ingredient in this revitalizing drink is the juice of 1 fresh lemon. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a major role in reducing oxidative stress, especially within blood vessels. Vitamin C has shown promise in restoring healthy endothelial function, lowering LDL cholesterol, and reducing arterial plaque buildup, each of which contributes to smoother, more efficient blood flow. And lastly, we finish it with 200 milliliters of coconut water, a hydration powerhouse. Coconut water is rich in electrolytes, particularly potassium, magnesium, and sodium, which are essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure and vascular tone. Proper hydration and electrolyte balance are surprisingly vital in sustaining strong erections, as even mild dehydration can impair sexual performance and stamina. You may optionally add a spoon of natural honey for taste. Honey offers quick-digesting natural sugars and antioxidants that provide energy and contribute to cardiovascular wellness. Once you've combined all these ingredients, beetroot, watermelon, with rind and seeds, ginger, lemon juice, coconut water, and optionally honey. Blend them until smooth. You may strain it if preferred, but try to retain as much pulp and fiber as possible. Consume this juice immediately after preparation to preserve the nutritional integrity of the compounds. Drink it once a day, ideally in the morning or about 30 to 45 minutes before physical activity, which primes the body to absorb and utilize these nutrients more effectively, especially when combined with increased blood flow from exercise. Now, before we go any further, let me make something very clear. This is not a miracle drink. It is not intended to replace clinically significant treatments for men with moderate to severe erectile dysfunction. In those cases, we have well-established medical solutions, PDE5 inhibitors like sildenafil, Viagra, and tadalafil, Cialis, injectable therapies, vacuum devices, and even penile prostheses, depending on the severity of the condition. However, for men who are experiencing mild symptoms or simply want to optimize their natural function, this scientifically grounded juice can be a powerful adjunctive strategy in improving erection quality and overall sexual performance. And importantly, no supplement or drink will substitute for the cornerstones of sexual wellness: regular physical activity, preferably 40 to 50 minutes, at least 4 to 5 times per week, an anti-inflammatory diet, effective weight management, stress reduction, and restorative sleep. Sleep, particularly deep or REM sleep, plays a pivotal role in regulating testosterone production and nitric oxide synthesis. Without sufficient sleep, all the natural efforts in the world can be counterproductive. So take care of your body. Train your vascular system as you would your muscles. Prioritize sleep and recovery. Manage emotional stress, from work, relationships, or personal pressures. And see this drink not as a fix, but as a functional tool in a more holistic, consistent approach to vitality and intimacy. If you enjoyed the video, rate it from 1 to 10 in the comments. Your feedback really helps me stay motivated and continue exploring science to bring you more authentic, proven content like this. Thank you for joining me. I hope you found this both enlightening and motivating. If you did, I invite you to share this message, leave a comment, and help spread this scientifically grounded knowledge with those who may also benefit. Stay consistent, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.